Hey everybody, what's up? Today I'm gonna be doing Pauline Kart. But before we do that, I'm gonna go to the shop right now because I found the new Luigi in the daily spotlight. And I pretty much got him early because some people got him early. So I'm gonna get him right now. But I got a little tiny bit of rubies left. 3 rubies left on here, so goodbye to these. Goodbye to these rubies. Now I got 300. So if I get this, that means I have 150 rubies left. Like, that's all I'm missing is this. And then gold charge and chuck, that's the only 2 I'm missing. So I'm gonna get this next. I just can't believe I got this early. Wow, thank you, Lord Jesus. Cool. That's cool. Amazing. I didn't even get to get them from the spotlight shop. Wow. Alright, let's start right now with Pauline Cup. Alright, that's it. It's on now. That's it. It's on. That's it. It's on now. That's it. It's so on. That was the last time this speedrun was gonna hit me. Wow, second place not bad, but that was not right again, so oh well. Wow, I got all the drivers on here. Cool. Not the 2 item slots, but I got all the frenzies. Wow, amazing. That's cool. I got the both candlelight flight for the 3 arrows, whatever they call it. Oh, good, I'm much too flamesy. I'm just sick of every shot they have. That's it. That's it. I don't like this. This is why I don't like this damn course, man. It's so annoying. I hate this freaking course. This is exactly the reason why I hate this freaking course, man. For real, this is not fair. But I don't like this course. I hate it. I hate this one. Before this halfway, that's not bad, but still it is kind of. Hopefully I do good on this one without a blue shell or something happening. Right, let's see. I'm actually surprised I ended up in 4th, because I don't like that course. Baby Park is the only course I don't like. That's like the least favorite course I like, because the drifting problems on there. I used to be good at it, but not anymore. Ooh, I hit 2 people in the boombox item. Wow. One of the me's and then Pauline. Wow. Can I be at least in first one of them? Without getting hit by a shell or a blue shell. Well, good. At least I came in first place one time. That's all that matters. Wow, a new record. Even I didn't do that one. That was just a lifetime best. Being the best record I ever did in Choco Mountain course. Alright, the challenge left. And then the gold pass. See what's in the gold pass. Stuff like the gifts. like at least 26. There we go. I think that's like the best one I ever did. Let's go to the toy gift, see what it is. We should have 3 different green pipes. Hopefully one of them's gold. Alright, and green. Oh good, it's on the max. Green. Green. Morton, that's good. He's about to be almost on level 8 for me. Alright. You know what? I'm gonna do the today's challenge. And that's it. After this, that's it for today. Who was 7 friends? Why didn't they give that to me in the first place? They should have gave it to me in the first place. Good. Hit fucking Kong, gang. Are you serious? Not again. This is what happened to begin with, all over again. That's what exact happened to begin with. What's the blue shell again? There's too many blue shells every game, just like too many. Yes, I hit him. Dang right I did. Good, a new record, like 6,000 more. Let's see, hopefully it's rubies. Oh good, another max coins. Alright, bye everyone, have a nice day.